5 hours where I spent 3 hours in the garden yesterday. All plant is smoking. You see what I'm saying? YouTube can say that it's age restricted. They can say it's da 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 da. But if YouTube leaves your video up there, it's being monetized by them. So therefore, it's up to you to get you paid. Okay? They can't tell me I can't get paid. They can tell me I can't get paid by them, but they can't tell me I can't get paid. You see what I'm saying? So if the video's up, I can get paid for that. You dig? So hell, let me go ahead and run up my ticket because I know how to charge people. Okay, so when you come in and you be like, hey, I need you to do that, 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 that. What up, Jen? Appreciate you for sliding through. Let me give you a jacket so you be warm. It's cold downstairs. It's cold downstairs. You know what I'm saying? It's like 90 degrees outside, but it's like 68 down here. And I'm right by where the air vent is. So my nose might be running in a minute. DJ is, what's crack-a-lackin'? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. You know, I'm a plant daddy, so hell, yesterday I made sure all my little plant babies was cool. Today I ain't fucking with them. I'm taking the rest of the day off, if y'all didn't know. I might have a video later on Spider Pig, though, because, you know, Spider Pig's that guy that likes to work. Because, like I said, we go 7 days a week, 18 hours a day, baby. Yeah, see, 88 in Detroit today. That ain't too bad, but hell, it's going to be 90 plus down here today. Shouts out to KC. Y'all know, strange man keeping it real. Oh, and then the fact that I work outside, all of my co-workers is like, man, it's already starting to get hot. I'm sitting here sweating like a motherfucking whore in church. Shouts out to all them hoes who still go to church. I appreciate that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be easier to find on Sunday whenever y'all trying to get y'all blessings. Yeah, I'm not going to that club where I got to pay $30 with a 2-drink minimum. Nah, I'm going to catch y'all in church. You see what I'm saying? The Lord know what I want, and he going to help me get it. I told y'all I was evil today, so y'all better leave me alone. Yeah, you better leave me alone. I told y'all I was evil today, so this ain't the regular butter popcorn. This the evil butter popcorn. Evil butter popcorn. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't CBD. That was TNT. Cause I pull up on them. Shout out to these motherfucking hoes in the church, bro. Cause they go. They know, they go. Hey, shout out. They said, the Lord is my shepherd. He knows what I want. But anyways, y'all already know I ain't doing nothing serious today. So shout out to the 3 people that hit the thumbs up. Shout out to the 3 people in the chat. Peace to y'all. Hopefully y'all have a good Father's Day. I don't know. Like I said, I took care of my kids yesterday. All them little plant babies is in there looking like, okay, our water levels got checked. The motherfucker didn't check our pH, but, you know, he gonna do that Wednesday when it's wet Wednesday. Shout out to Kids and Plenty's wet on Wednesday. I'll be on top of them this week because, you know, last week I had to redo the creating opportunities video that I tried to start last Sunday, but then last Sunday I had to take mom to church. Forgot about it too. But that's a whole nother story. Y'all know that video is up. Go watch it. You did. But where we going today? Where we going? I'm over here looking at my Rumble for those who don't remember. Because like I said, when you hit I think it would only require like 26. The Rumble's kind of goofy. It would require like 26 subscribers or something silly like that to go live on Rumble. Then when you want to go live on Rumble, it's a whole process, okay? And then I'm sitting here trying to set it up yesterday. It says it works with OBS, but it did not easily link up with my OBS, so I still have to get it done, which I've already said. Moving forward, let's go check out the Trap House, though. Shout out to the Trap House. Y'all see me doing it, you know what I'm saying? We had like 56 views, averaging 22 minutes of view. So shouts out to me. I went live for 5 hours and, you know, I got 22 minutes of watch time out of whoever did come through. So we appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I said I'm going live for views and watch hours. Didn't get that many views, but I did get the watch hours that I was shooting for. So, hey, it works out. You see what I'm saying? Whether it was just Big Me in the building or Big Y'all, it don't matter. Somebody pulled up. And since